Hey guys, welcome back. If y'all have not seen my other videos, I'm Abby. I'm actually getting ready for work like I usually do. I already went and did my brows and concealed my lids. We're gonna start off with eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette. I'm gonna use the color Wannabe and Hey. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 532 brush. Alright, so I think I still want to do like a simple look, but also not too simple. So I'm gonna do like blue on the center of my lid. I think that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Juvia's palette, the Afrique. I'm gonna use the bright blue. I'm not even gonna pronounce it, just I think it's French. I don't know. The Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it on my lid. Oh shit, that's a lot of fallout. Okay, I'm going to take the well, thanks a lot. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the Saharan 2 by Juvia's, and I think I'm gonna use the color Fez. I'm gonna use this Morphe 532. That was the same brush I used at the beginning, and I'm gonna use the Saharan 2 by Juvia's and use the color Taza. Put that in my brush and do that on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go with the eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. Use that, pack on the blue again, and just I said I wanted something natural with like a little bit of a pop, but like, honey, this is just all pop. Use that e.l.f. blending brush. Go into the color Kissy with the Afrique palette, and try and ease it down with a lighter color. Okay, so I'm going in with this Fix Gel glitter bottle, and I am going to put a little bit on the center of the blue, if it'll work with me. Okay. Okay, so I put some more blue shimmer from Dahlia on the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, and I'm gonna go back with the blue color in the Afrique palette and put that on top as well. So that's the look. And we're gonna go in with the Saharan 2 palette, put that Taza color back on the outer corner or the outer lid, and help blend it out. So I just finished the eye look. All I kept doing was just blending. I did that off camera. All I did was blend and blend and blend, and then I ended up using my fingers to pack on the shimmer just so it'll apply a lot easier. So now we're just gonna go ahead and get on with foundation. Right. I don't like baking too long for some reason, so I'm just gonna brush it all off right now. Pat it on and then brush it off. Same thing here. Then I'm going to contour with some powder. You can see right there. Grab my Sephora brush. I'm gonna grab my Sephora brush, my Anastasia contour kit, and just bring it around. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the E36 Morphe brush. From the Masquerade Mini palette, I'm going to use the color Ada and put that on my lower lash line. I really love this color blue. Oh my god. Okay. Now, onto highlight. Okay, onto highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia highlighter palette. Ugh, it looks so pretty. Alright, I'm going to use my Morphe 501, and it has a little bit of the Juvia's palette. I'm just going to, or not the palette, their loose highlighter, the Nubian one. I'm just going to put the little leftover they have onto my nose and the cheekbones. we're gonna do eyeliner. Okay. Alrighty guys, so this is the makeup look for today. I know at the beginning of this video I was all over the place, not sure what I wanted to do. But this is the look and I'm really happy with it. If you guys have any requests, put them down below. If y'all have any comments about my look, let me know down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.